Careful, Sean.
Drop it. Oh, I'm going dead. Drop it. Press the power button in front. Turn it back on. There you go.
Oh, we'll call it.
There's someone around that corner.
All three, still alive.
Yeah.
Okay.
Huh? It's not even that, you know, it's because the adapter is damaged. Come on guys, where's our energy? Oh, fucking saucy.
26.
Come on guys, where's my support?
22 points.
Oh. Get us like that.
Right, I know the games are long. We're going to go out for another quick break because it is too fucking long here for like 20 minute games. Yeah. Right, let's go, bugs up! Yeah. It's not working properly. That's worse.
It's not feeding correct car.
This one.
No, because then you won't have an adapter, G. You're good. I'll just use the angled one until I can get another one. You're good, trust.
If it was truck cover or not.
Yeah. I can't believe you screaming over that. You shoot me there to get that. Does that really hurt? So with that game, guys, realistically you want to push nice and quick and get that bomb plant in. Just for next time you know.
Sorry boys, I'm so fucking
See, I wanted something apparently. He's on back game time. Sausage.
So you can't go anywhere. That is wicked. There's absolute wickedness.
Last time I jumped on his back and he was carrying me around the arena.
I tell you what, Trey, I think you're right. I think the team's definitely going to love it on the team.
Should be good, man. Should be good.
With the stuff that we're taking, it will be good.
Oh, imagine doing touch here and I get a minigun and you guys have to charge that. What? Mate, that would be my fault, wouldn't it?
Alright, thank you very much.
So where's? I believe this is game 3 or 4. Let's say 4 just to be safe. Yeah, I'm talking to YouTube at the moment. Huh?
That new build.
Which one, the mask? Well, it's an updated build. So I took this out the other day because I wanted something that could shoot like 50-60 meters.
Yeah.
And then made a few adjustments since, just to get a bit more stable. Cause it was good, it worked well outdoors, but the recoil at 50-60 meters, you want to hit within 3-4 shots. So yeah, beautiful little gun. And I got a quantum bucket in it. So it's got the pretty little orange thing.
Oh, that is beautiful.
That's what I'm running in mine.
Oh, God help me.
That's what I'm saying, to get a decent one. The new app that they're working. Look into it.
I don't even have my little.
Can you hurry up? Right, it's in my window, bud. Right. It's 85 mag, it's not. Yeah, I don't think it was mag, mate. No, I think he collapsed, and then he got up, and he got out that little window. I'm gonna go early, that's gonna get full over. I mean, there won't be much left anyway. I'll the dark full over on it. It's gone, go down. Get full over in the dick. Your dick's gone. Yeah, two batteries.
Your motor isn't.
What big batteries? You haven't got batteries, mate? No, there's a bunch of.
Do you have tools with you, bro?
Yeah, I've got stuff downstairs.
Yeah, if you've got a flathead, let's try a flathead because I can feel your motor's trying to move, but it might be too tight or too loose. Are you sure the battery's charged though?
I never charged it. Yeah, I charged it.
With what charger?
What's it fucking called? I bought it out of the train store, dude. Yeah.
Next game, bring it to me. I need a flathead and yeah, it's an easy thing. So I said, let's grab another battery so we can rule the battery thing out. And then I need a flathead to do the motor tuning.
Right, so I'll grab one after this game.
No worries.
Right, Trey, head down to your team radar.
Cool.
Yeah, you enjoyed it, but don't worry. There's more.
Well, Trace inside, so it's gonna be bare silent kills.
You got a sharky.
Yeah. The knees are naughty.
Bro, these are sexy.
At this rate, we're gonna have no bloody rounds left.
Oh, there's plenty of rounds.
Ooh, baby.
Leave my hands.
I like it when you touch me like that. Ooh. Giggity.
You do know this video and you're doing that, don't you?
You can explain that to YouTube.
Oh, no.
This is techie, bro. I don't think I'm gonna have enough rounds to last it. And I need a trick trace. Sean, do you have your backup trace on you? No. Okay, no stress. I need a tracer.
Hey, wait, is that one not working then?
No, the battery's dead.
Anyone there?
Oh, hit. Can we respawn, yeah?
You got me though, right?
Someone's coming to get me. I'm on
On the other side, guys, they're running through. Sorry.
Charlie, stop working!
Go. Bang, 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 bang.
Hello.
He's trying to molest me again.
Oh yes, I am.
I mean, what is our actual objective though?
Alright. Kieran.
Okay. Kieran, come here! My heart. Sorry.
Hi.
Oh, so say. So you don't like the crazy jet gun? I'm gonna have to bring out the Vosk back. They don't like the crazy jet. We've been into the strip a few times. Oh, saucy. Bottom window. It's that side.
Action. Hey. I'm out.
There's a guy in that room. Oh, cool as a trade, fucking. hit me, brother?
Huh?
I'm not sure. Did you hit me?
I don't think so.
Huh?
I don't think so.
Okay, no worries. Keep going. Don't leave your battery in there though.
Yeah, I'll take it out. So that's why it died. I left it in there for 2
Do you have G36 mags?
yeah. I've got the other adapter as well. I might have to whack it on there just like
You might just have to run that just to be secure for the moment. And like I said, them adapters should work fine, so maybe if you buy Drop your grenade.
Ah, pick up! No, we'll go straight away. Literally just touch the side, it'll be small, bro.
Thank you for calling.
How about we flew?
Let's go back to your home place where you started from. Am I in your home place?
Yeah.
Okay, let me go back a bit. I'll call it. I'll call it. Oh, we're the same. We're the same. Yeah. Cheers. Cheers. Oh, so sick.
Yeah, blue. Well, boys.
That's fucking beautiful shirt you got, mate.
To be fair, there was one that went right past me. I don't know how it didn't catch me, you know. I think it deflected me in the back of the leg. I was like, fucking hell.
Yeah, so I come round, I was fairly on the top of the end with what you gaga. Well, boys.
Oh, cheers, man. Good little night, to be honest, of content as well.
It's probably one of the better nights we've had.
True.
Double working there at least.
True.
Oh.
Hopefully the sun is zeroed.
I shot you. I shot someone that was camping in that window. What, mate? Yeah. Someone was.
It's not straight. Unless I run twos, we'll try that.
Right, you guys ready?
All
I've
done?
got to go home and clean up, so...
Well, clean up and then go home.
Yeah, I was about to say, you're going to clean up from home?
YouTube. And that was us tonight. Airsoft Special Ops. I'll write it down for you if you want.
I'll just grab my phone and do it.
No worries. Yeah, and that was another night. That was another night of future survival peeps. To be fair, probably one of the more better nights, if I do say so myself. One of the more better nights, but this is how you keep players. Good gameplay, good marshalling, and fun. Make it fun. No harm in bantering. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the course tonight. We'll do